U kertong ke NPP u Dr. DRL Nonglain, ula ong bahadian kumbasan hadu nriu bniah ke jingelap election, ula yoi ya ke Jingkyrshan na ki Paidbah, but ungit scam bo job ke election. Ula ong ba kejinya kun election unu ubri ula banya kun, watla kejinya kun kalong ka bae, hinri udon kejinget ban job. Shushu u Dr. Nonglaj ula pintim, ba ke Executive Council jong ke Nehu, kala Mynjur ya ke no objection certificate, lani NOC, na ke binta jong u bat uwe unong apply, minta dang ap tangi ke minute jong ke jingalang hadian kata, ansepirmi purai ke NOC.
I keep my pace slow and steady, but the response is quite positive, and I hope we will achieve the goals, and with the support of the people, I don't have any doubt that we will come out successfully.
Between like professionals.
There is no such battle as you have said, like professional. This is election, and everyone can join the fray. Be he or she a teacher, an administrator, or anyone. It is always challenging. I should not take it lightly, but then I'm sure that we will come out successful. NOC has been released. The Academic Council, no. The Executive Council has been held yesterday, and it was decided that permission will be given to me and also to the other person. But then the minutes have not been out, and as soon as the minutes are out, then only they will issue us their NOC.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka wei ka them artli ki Jylla ha ka binta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically polluted hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor balapau perthai ha ka binta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla Mynta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan